Hey, it's me, Cynthia. It's game day. Hockey is back. I am a huge fan of the Vegas Golden Knights. This is our retro jersey, and yes, we've only been around since 2017. I don't know what prompted a retro jersey, but we got it. This is it, and that's our normal logo right there. If you are unfamiliar with the Vegas Golden Knights. Tonight we play the Anaheim Ducks, so go Knights to go. So if you are going to be watching hockey, I'll see you on the ice. I'm going to try some Perrier water. Now, for the hiccups. I want to see, I guess it wouldn't take a temperature because it doesn't have anything colder than. That's a terrible idea. I'm not even gonna try it. I thought about it. Here's the proof, and that is a terrible idea. So I don't have a way to prove to you that this is cold, except, brr, it's so cold. Hello, Simon from France, and Weehoo. And Mary Monster, I checked out your channel. Cute little dino graphics. And there's Ian and Juan Torres. Did I say your name correctly? I mean, I could say it with an accent, but I only have a Cuban accent. So I don't know if you're from Cuba. And sometimes the incorrect accent could offend people, so if I were to say it with a Cuban accent, I would say Juan Torres. Is that even a Cuban accent anymore? Juan Torres. Juan Torres. Yeah, I guess it would be Juan Torres. Huh. Anyway, sorry if I butchered your name. Then we have, hi Esme, God Rocks 2107, and Carla Franklin, my two friends forever, and Mazelda NRJ3. Let's get to it and hope that, okay. Last time I made a video. I could add ice, and that would prove that it's cold because it's ice. Last time I had some Perrier water. I added sugar to it, so it would taste better because it does not taste good to me at all. So I added sugar, and then Weehoo said sugar cures the hiccups. And so I brought some sugar. So if I can get the hiccups, I will have a spoonful of sugar. The things I do for you guys. It smells like lime because it is lime flavored. And I did not eat. I've had 2 cups of coffee this morning. I get up at 6. It's like 9:16 right now. So I get up at 6, and this is a Claudia ring because I'm Irish. Yeah. All right, let's go. Yes. I hear some gurgling. There was one. Let's try it again. Nope. Let me try another one. This is a strange. I was getting my ice, and I thought I shouldn't put too much ice. I don't want to water it down. It is water. So, okay, so I've had. Yeah, my lipstick today is the kind that comes off. So that's the lime. I've had strawberry, and now I'm gonna try peach. I did not have strawberry today. You didn't miss anything. I didn't delete anything out. We're gonna try peach. And I'm gonna put it in ice just to prove that it's cold, since the first one didn't work. I miss Jenna Marbles. I wish Jenna would come back to the internet. Okay, here we go. Should I use a straw? These bubbles, for anyone, for the doubters. You can hear it. All right. For the record, this is the same straw that I always use. I just keep washing it over and over again. All right, ready? I hope we beat Anaheim tonight. They just named, Vegas Golden Knights just named Mark Stone, number 61, our team captain. It's the first time we've had a team captain since we started in 2017. Oh, that was uneventful. Okay. Same day, same day, game day. And I just got back from the store. I had to go buy something to help maybe get the hiccups. So I chose a Red Bull. All right, let me get rid of this water. That was awful. I really just wanted the sugar. All right. It's cold from the store, but not cold enough. I can smell the palpitations already. All right. Wish me luck. Oh, there's one. I'm doing everything you guys tell me to do. Not like, you better do that or else. I'm like suggestions. I'm taking all of your suggestions. Nope. Wait. Nothing. Again, I have a brain freeze. Ooh. Well, I guess that's it. It is now 10:12. It's an hour later. And I'm going to probably go crochet something Vegas Golden Knights related. The game starts at 7 p.m. So I'm a little early, but I guess if we were having a game here in town, here in Las Vegas, I would probably be at the T-Mobile Arena right now, just sitting outside waiting to go in. I love them so much. All right, well, I'm gonna go, and if you're an Anaheim fan, I will see you on the ice. I miss hockey games so much. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful everything, and perhaps I will see you on another day. Bye.